Hi everyone. Here in week 1 we have the assignment to review the portfolio project, and that's just what we'll do in this short video for VOIM 110 Office Technology Software 1. The first thing to note is that our portfolio project is an individual assignment that you'll complete on your own. It's not group or team-based. Let's take a look at each one of the final elements or the final deliverables that you'll submit to Angel, because our portfolio project has many parts. Now, all the parts of our portfolio project are a case study that puts you in the position of someone who's looking to raise funds for a new business venture. So you'll be creating a business plan and a number of different other letters and memos around that new business. One of the first things we'll do for the portfolio project is create a business letter requesting a meeting with management. And we'll also create a company flyer, and that's used for communicating to potential customers of this new venture. The third thing we'll do is create a memo communicating a proposal to management for a specific meeting in order to present our business plan. And for the business plan, we'll create a separate business plan cover page. And then there's the business plan itself that includes a table of contents, the body of the business plan with an executive summary, company background, and market data. And throughout these assignments, you'll be asked to be creative and include elements of design and content that you come up with on your own. Now, we're not going to make all of these at one time. We have an assignment timeline. And here in week 1, I'm going to ask you to review the directions, download the supporting documents, and review the grading rubrics. There's nothing to submit. And then in subsequent weeks, we'll be building the business letter, the main report structure, the flyer and the cover page, the memo, and then we'll be uploading things to Optimal Resume. And then finally, reflecting on the entire portfolio project itself. So here in week 1, please review the directions. And you'll see a small paragraph that's going to talk to you about essential questions, questions about the value of this project and the resources that you used for this project. You'll need to think about these throughout the entire semester in order to have them for the week 7.5 reflective narrative. The next thing you should do here in week 1 is download the supporting documents. They're in a zip file, but included in that zip are 3 PDFs with the company background, the executive summary, and market data, and you'll use all of that either in the business plan itself or in some of the letters, the memos, or the flyer. Lastly, you should review the grading rubrics, because when I pull your assignment down out of the Dropbox in Angel, I'll be using those in order to create your grade. And a nice activity is for you to pull down those rubrics and review your work actually before you submit it. That way you should fully understand what it is that I'm looking for and what your grade will be based on. Now, throughout the semester in each one of our weekly discussion forums, I'm going to post up a thread called Homework Help. And in there, I'll have videos that describe what's due for that week for the portfolio project. But in addition to that, I'll have a lot of other postings in the Homework Help thread that can support the textbook assignment or some of the other class activities. It's worthwhile checking that out before you get started on the weekend's assignments. Well, that'll conclude our week 1 review of the portfolio project. If you have any questions, the quickest way to get a hold of me is through email. It goes right to my smartphone, so I'll be able to reply immediately. But you can always post a question either in the questions forum or right there in that Homework Help thread. Thank you all, and let's have a great semester.